Hey there, social media mavens. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Facebook and Instagram for your business? In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of Facebook and Instagram ads, and I'll guide you through the essentials to get started. I'm Topaz, a Facebook ads and funnel specialist, and I'm thrilled to have you here. 1. Understanding Facebook and Instagram ads. Before we dive in, let's understand what Facebook and Instagram ads are all about. These powerful advertising platforms allow you to reach billions of users worldwide and showcase your products or services to a highly targeted audience. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, or content creator, mastering Facebook and Instagram ads can take your online presence to new heights. 2. Benefits of advertising on Facebook and Instagram. Why should you invest in Facebook and Instagram ads? Well, that's simple. You'll gain access to robust targeting options, allowing you to reach the right people at the right time. Plus, you can run ads across multiple placements, including Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram Stories, and more. The best part? It's cost-effective and can fit any budget. 3. Setting up your first ad campaign. Now, let's get our hands dirty and set up your very first ad campaign. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. I'll walk you through the process step by step. From creating your ad account to defining your target audience and selecting the right ad objective. 4. Navigating the Ads Manager interface. Welcome to Ads Manager, your command center for running Facebook and Instagram ads. We'll take a casual stroll through the interface so you can easily manage your campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Plus, I'll show you some nifty tricks to make your ad management smooth sailing. 5. Crafting engaging ad creatives. Now, let's make your ads stand out from the crowd. I'll share some creative tips to design eye-catching visuals and write compelling ad copy that captivates your audience. Remember, a little creativity goes a long way in grabbing attention. 6. Understanding ad performance metrics. Once your ads are up and running, it's essential to track their performance. I'll demystify those metrics and help you understand what they mean for your campaign's success. With this knowledge, you can optimize your ads for better results. Congratulations! You've just completed your crash course on Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action and watch your business soar. If you're hungry for more in-depth tips and strategies, consider enrolling in our comprehensive Facebook and Instagram ads course. The link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content on digital marketing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Like this video if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave any questions or comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy advertising!